Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas food. The most efficient way to ensure a delicious and stress-free holiday meal is by pre-ordering. This method allows you to secure your entire feast well in advance, avoiding the frantic rush of last-minute shopping. Imagine enjoying the festive season without worrying about crowded aisles or sold-out ingredients. It's a fantastic way to guarantee a delightful spread for your family and friends, making your celebrations truly special. Getting started is quite simple. First, explore local grocery stores or specialized catering services that offer holiday meal packages. Many provide comprehensive menus, from succulent turkeys to delicious side dishes and decadent desserts. Once you've chosen your perfect meal, place your order, often by the first week of December, to ensure availability. Finally, confirm your preferred pickup or delivery time, usually a day or two before Christmas, for ultimate convenience. The benefits of pre-ordering are truly significant. You'll save countless hours of cooking and preparation, freeing up valuable time to spend with loved ones. Plus, you can count on consistent quality and expertly prepared dishes, taking the guesswork out of holiday cooking. Many services also allow you to add extra items, like a second pie or more mashed potatoes, to perfectly suit your guest count. This approach lets you focus on joy, not kitchen chaos. To make the most of this method, remember to plan your menu early, ideally by late November, to ensure you get exactly what you want. Think about any dietary restrictions or specific preferences your guests might have. Always double-check your order details and pick up instructions with the provider well before the final deadline. By following these simple steps, you are set for a truly delicious and wonderfully effortless Christmas meal, creating cherished memories for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.